There's no way you're gonna be able to wrap that up in a wrap. You got that?
Hello, from McDonald's. Can I help you, please?
Hello, I came through a minute ago and I got a filet-o-fish with the water.
Yes?
And well, I got the filet-o-fish and you know it looked okay except for the fish was a little undercooked.
Okay, you can go ahead and window number 2.
Number 2? Thank you.
Told you. Oh, it's gonna be bad.
Oh, fuck, that smells horrible.
Here, I'll hold it.
Here, get a shot of the fish, dude.
I already did. I already got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good, Tim. How's it going? What's this lock for?
So people like you don't take the money?
Oh, that's a charity thing, huh? Cool. Can you see it underneath?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Right on.
Bye.
See ya. Anyway, the fish is like a little undercooked or something, so.
Undercooked, huh? Oh, there you go. You guys want to see that back?
No, that... What am I going to do with this, so I can't eat it?
You take that back wherever you got it from.
Well, I got it from here, so...
You guys can take
No, but the bag says McDonald's.
You didn't get it here.
Oh.
Don't pour. We have college cops and everything, so have a nice night.
Thanks anyway. I couldn't get a second one?
Nope.
Thanks.